Crash course on Japanese food. Why sushi so popular in Canada and USA? Japanese food is known for its unique flavors, fresh ingredients, and beautiful presentation. It has gained popularity all over the world, and is particularly popular in Canada and the United States. In this crash course, we will explore the history and characteristics of Japanese food, as well as the popularity of sushi in Canada and the USA. History and characteristics of Japanese food. Japanese cuisine has a rich history that dates back centuries. It has been heavily influenced by China, Korea, and other neighboring countries, as well as by the Buddhist tradition of vegetarianism. Japanese cuisine is known for its emphasis on fresh, seasonal ingredients and its delicate, subtle flavors. One of the defining characteristics of Japanese food is its emphasis on presentation. Japanese chefs take great care to create beautiful, visually appealing dishes that are as much a work of art as they are a meal. This attention to detail is evident in everything from the arrangement of the food on the plate to the colors and textures used. Another characteristic of Japanese food is its diversity. From sushi to ramen to tempura, Japanese cuisine offers a wide range of dishes and flavors to suit every taste. Sushi's popularity in Canada and the USA. Sushi is a type of Japanese cuisine that has gained immense popularity in Canada and the USA. It is a dish made of vinegared rice and a variety of toppings, including raw fish, seafood, vegetables, and egg. The popularity of sushi in Canada and the USA can be attributed to a number of factors. One of the main reasons is its health benefits. Sushi is low in fat and high in protein, making it a healthy option for those who want to maintain a balanced diet. Another reason for its popularity is its unique flavor and presentation. Sushi is made with fresh, high-quality ingredients, and is presented in a visually appealing way that is both beautiful and appetizing. Sushi has also become popular because of its accessibility. There are now many sushi restaurants and takeout places that offer a wide range of sushi options at affordable prices. Sushi has also become a popular option for business lunches, family gatherings, and other social events. Interesting stories and examples. The origins of sushi. Sushi has a long and interesting history that dates back to the 8th century. Originally, sushi was a way of preserving fish by packing it in salt and fermenting it for several months. Later, the process was refined to include vinegar and rice, which helped to speed up the fermentation process and improve the flavor. Today, sushi is a popular dish all over the world, and has evolved to include a wide range of ingredients and flavors. Ramen's rise to popularity. Ramen is another Japanese dish that has gained immense popularity in recent years. It is a dish made of wheat noodles, a savory broth, and a variety of toppings, including meat, vegetables, and egg. Ramen was originally introduced to Japan by Chinese immigrants in the late 19th century. It was initially seen as a cheap and filling meal for laborers and students, but eventually became a popular food item in its own right. Today, ramen is a staple of Japanese cuisine, and has become a popular dish all over the world. It has also undergone a number of changes and innovations, with different regions of Japan developing their own unique styles and variations. The art of Japanese tea. Japanese tea is another important aspect of Japanese cuisine. Tea is a symbol of hospitality and friendship in Japan, and is often served to guests as a sign of welcome. Japanese tea ceremonies are highly ritualized events that date back centuries. They involve a complex series of movements and gestures, and are designed to create a sense of harmony and tranquility. The tea itself is made from high-quality tea leaves that are carefully selected and prepared. It is typically served in small cups, and is enjoyed for its delicate flavor and calming effects. The evolution of Japanese curry. Japanese curry is another popular dish that has undergone a number of changes and adaptations over the years. It is a dish made of a curry sauce, meat or vegetables, and rice. Japanese curry was originally introduced to Japan by the British in the late 19th century, and was adapted to suit Japanese tastes and preferences. It became popular as a comfort food during the early 20th century, and has since evolved to include a wide range of ingredients and flavors. Today, Japanese curry is a staple of Japanese cuisine, and can be found in a variety of forms, from boxed meals to restaurant dishes to homemade recipes. The popularity of matcha. Matcha is a type of green tea that has become increasingly popular in recent years. It is made from high-quality tea leaves that are ground into a fine powder, and is traditionally used in Japanese tea ceremonies. Matcha has become popular all over the world because of its unique flavor and health benefits. It is high in antioxidants and has been shown to improve brain function and reduce the risk of certain diseases. Matcha is also used in a variety of dishes and drinks, from matcha lattes to matcha ice cream to matcha-infused desserts. Conclusion: Japanese food is a diverse and delicious cuisine that has gained immense popularity all over the world. Its emphasis on fresh ingredients, subtle flavors, and beautiful presentation make it a unique and enjoyable dining experience. Sushi, in particular, has become a staple of Japanese cuisine, and has gained immense popularity in Canada and the USA because of its health benefits, unique flavor, and accessibility. From the origins of sushi to the evolution of Japanese curry, Japanese cuisine has a rich history and a wide range of interesting stories and examples that make it a fascinating topic for exploration and discussion. Here is a poem on Japanese major cuisine. In Japan, a culinary world of flavors fresh and bold, where every dish is crafted with care and love untold. Sushi, the king of all, with rice so soft and white, and raw fish, a delicacy, a feast for eyes and sight. Ramen, a bowl of broth, and noodles oh so fine, with toppings that delight, a taste that's simply divine. Tempura, fried to perfection, a crispy, golden treat, with seafood and veggies, a fusion that can't be beat. Yakitori, skewered and grilled, a juicy, savory bite, with chicken so succulent, a taste that's pure delight. Okonomiyaki, a pancake savory, with flavors bold and bright, with cabbage and meat and sauce, a dish that's pure delight. Udon, a noodle oh so thick, in soup or stir-fried right, a staple of Japanese fare, a taste that's pure delight. Donburi, a rice bowl so rich, with toppings that excite, a dish that's hearty and filling, a taste that's pure delight. In Japan, a world of cuisine, a taste of heaven on earth, with flavors that inspire, a love that knows no worth. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.